Seabra was always an important place, the old man said. It is today, too. It's important because it's on the sea. I don't understand, Paxton said. The English wanted to protect their country from countries across the sea, the old man said. They put 3 crowns in the ground near the sea. One of the crowns was here, near Seabra. But why? Paxton asked. He didn't understand. What did 3 crowns in the ground do? The 3 crowns were magic, the old man said. Their magic protected the country. Do people believe that? Paxton asked, with a smile. Many people here in Seabra believe it, the old man answered. But do you believe it? Paxton said. The old man looked at the dark sea. His eyes were dark too. He didn't answer Paxton's question. And where are these crowns now? Paxton asked. He looked at the water too. There was a boat on the sea. It was small, on the dark water. That's a difficult question, the old man said. One of them is in London now. Every day, people on holiday can go and look at it. One of the crowns is in the sea. Now, only 1 crown is in the ground, but its magic is working today. Do you know about the last crown? Paxton asked. Where is it? I don't know that, the old man said. Who knows? Paxton said. Only the Ages family. Who are they? The old man looked into Paxton's eyes. Ages is a very old name in Seabra. The Ages were a family here for many years. Families come and go, but the Ages always stayed. They never moved away. Why not? The men of the family had a very important job. The old man was quiet now. The crown protected the country, and the Ages protected the crown. Paxton didn't believe the old man's story, but it was very interesting to him. Where are the Ages? He asked. Can I talk to them? The Ages can't answer any questions about the crown now, the old man said. William Ages was the last person in the family. He lived near here, but he isn't talking now. Why not?